Hey caterpillars, welcome back to school. I'm so glad you guys are here. Our month is March. Let's spell that. M-A-R-C-H. March. Here is our calendar. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. We have this number right here. Let's get ready to count. Let's count all the way down here. What number comes after 21? What do you guys think? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And this month we've been working on an AABB pattern. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go butterfly, butterfly, bird, bird. Butterfly, butterfly. Good. So today is Monday, March 22nd, 2021. Today is Monday and the weather is sunny. This word is, and this word is. I-S. All right, real quick, my animals got out. Can you help me put them in the correct barn? We have M, M, R, G, G, and L, L. Which barn would I put the rabbit in? What's that beginning sound? Rabbit. Good, R, rabbit. Which barn would I put the llama in? Llama. Llama. L makes the sound. Good job. Which barn would I put the milk in? Milk. Good. And which barn would I put the goat in? Good job. All right, let's do our letters and our sounds. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Z. Sorry about that. All right, where number is the cow hiding? Let me move my picture real quick so you can see it better. What is this first number the cow is behind? Comes after 4. 5. Good job. And what is this number? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. How many do you see? 4. Good. How many sheep do you see? 4 and 2 is 6. Good. How many chickens? 3. You see 3. And how many geese do you see? 2 big ones and 3 little ones. That is 5. Today we're going to segment phonemes. That means we're going to listen to all of the individual sounds in the word. And then we're going to move one of these chips for all the sounds we hear up here. All right, so let's say the word What is this? Bat. And we're going to say it really slow so we can pay attention to each of the sounds. B, A, T. Okay, B, A, T. Now there are 3 sounds in the word bat. Let's do the next one. This is a pug. Are you ready for each individual sound? Let's do them together. P, A, G. How many sounds are in that word? P, A, G. Pug. There are 3 sounds in the word pug. A quick sound game of, do these words have the same beginning sound? Yes or no? So get your thumbs ready. Raccoon and rainbow. Do they have the same beginning sound? Yes, they both begin with an R. All right, the next one. Barn, school. Barn, school. What do you think? No, barn begins with the B and school begins with a S. Right, one more. Queen, quilt. Do they have the same beginning sound? Queen, quilt. Yes, queen and quilt both begin with a Q. So today I need your help finding words that begin with the sound. This is the letter R. R makes the sound. So I want you to pay attention. If you think it goes, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, you can just go like this. All right, let's find things that begin with an R, the Listen to that sound. Can you say it? We'll start with this one. Rainbow. Should I put it over there? Rainbow. Good. I'm going to put it over the barn. Rainbow. How about cow? Does cow begin with a Nope, he'll stay out into the pasture. How about rabbit? Rabbit. Good job. Rabbit and rainbow both begin with the sound. Here is a road runner. Road runner. Yes, road runner begins with a sound. Robot? What do you think? Robot begins with the Listen to these words. Robot, rabbit, road runner, and rainbow. They all have the same beginning sound. This is a radish. It is a vegetable that grows in the ground. Radish. Good job. How about this pig? Pig. Nope. And a rooster. Rooster. What do y'all think? Good. A rooster does begin with the sound. So when we're finished up here, I want you to draw me something that began with the sound, the R. Something that began with the letter R, and then you can upload it here. All right, before we go to, let's look at our brain food words. At. Repeat. At. Near. The. This is the word see. See. This is the word like. Like. This is the word in. In. And this is the word is. Is. All right, here it is. The sheep is. This is the sheep. The sheep is. What I can do, I can segment those sounds out to create the word. Are you ready? B, I, G. B, I, G. Big. The sheep is big. How many words were in that sentence? The sheep is big. There are 4 words in that sentence. All right, guys, so your job today is to draw me something that began with the letter R. You can think of something yourself, or you can also refer back to these beautiful pictures. I can't wait to see them. Thanks for joining me. Bye.